So good news, started on the third try. I can't run it too long because I don't have any coolant in the engine. So at least we got it into the garage, and I'm not gonna put any coolant in the engine because all this right here, it has to be painted. So I'm not gonna do that yet because I have to take it back off again. I can't put the radiator on. So let's take the hood off, and then we can go over the car. Okay, let's start with the radiator support and take a closer look at this car. So you can see that the radiator support is white, and I had it replaced because this side right here, when I bought the car, the guy that was driving it before me, he rear-ended somebody, and I don't know if I told you guys the story. He parked it at Advanced Auto and put it on Craigslist. I saw it on a Saturday morning and picked it up on a Sunday morning for a very, very good deal. So this thing has a clean title. And all the work you see on it is what I already did because I want to give it a new paint job. But let's not get distracted, get back to the underhood. So this car has a new timing belt, has a new clutch. The engine itself is in very good shape. There's no, I didn't see any oil leaks yet. I had it on the lift before, but you know, I don't know. At this time, we have to put on the lift. I'm not going to do it now. What I'm going to do now is put the fenders back on, both sides. I'm going to put the hood back on. Put the bumper, which is right here, back on the front fascia, and that comes with a couple parts. And then I gotta go pick up the rear bumper, pick up bumper supports for a IS. One major thing I didn't mention also, this was a E version, E325 or 325E, which means that it came with the big chrome bumpers. And I'm not a big fan of the big chrome bumpers, so I am converting the bumpers to an IS version, so it'll be a lot smoother look. It'll be more of a, here, let me show you a picture of it. This is a E, and this is what an IS looks like. So this is what I want. I want the IS look. So as I was saying, after I put the fenders on, the hood, the bumper, and get the rear bumper from Nelson, and the rear bumper supports, they're different. They're smaller. They're about, this is the front ones. So you can see how smaller they are, because the front ones were a bit long like this too. So I had to get them, you know, this is the IS version. We'll get more into that. Yeah, let me get this out too right away. And this is for the hood. You can see I got all the bolts with it, so that's good. I'm gonna put this right here. The other way. Like this for now. We'll put it together. And one of the other major things I gotta do is I gotta remove, let me go on the other side. So we'll disconnect that. Okay, let's look at the sunroof. You see this right here? See that? Basically, this hollow insulation here thing has to be replaced. And when you're spraying the car, you have to take the sunroof off, because to spray it properly, I'm not only gonna take the sunroof off, I'm gonna take the front window or the front windshield off and the rear. So all that's coming off. But for me to get to the sunroof, I have to remove the liner right here. So on next week's vlog, I'll be removing this whole thing right here to get into the sunroof. So that's the next step. I'm gonna remove this, install the fenders, install the hood, install the front bumper, get the rear bumper from Nelson, and we're gonna transport this car to R&R Auto for a complete brand new paint job. And as for paint, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with exactly the same color, because I have this one color in mind, and before we paint it, we'll choose the color together. I really want my viewers, I want you guys to help me pick the color that would look best for this car. I'm not gonna go extremely I'm not gonna change it to like a red or something. I'm gonna go with blue or something grayer towards the charcoal color. So I'll give you the options, and I want you guys to vote which color you want me to go with. So we'll get all to that in the next few vlogs. But I'm very excited because this car, man, I've been waiting for this car for a long time to get this thing started. Look at this beauty. Just look how awesome it is. This thing is just amazing. It's such a great shape. And the project itself is gonna be super fun because the car itself hasn't never been modified yet. So if the car hasn't been modified, It means that I can either build it to be too original, or I can build it to my own liking. And as of right now, I want to make this stock as possible and make it look really nice. I'm talking about hood, the engine wise. I'm not going to do the engine swaps yet. I might do one in the future, but this will do for right now. I want to run it stock. Other than the IS bumper conversion that I'm doing is one of the big major upgrades, I guess, or a change that I'm making. And then interior wise, I'm definitely have to redo the seats, even though they're in great shape. Like the passenger side is in great shape. The rear is not bad either, but it has a tear like right here. The bottom one's perfect, but that's not gonna cut it. I gotta make it perfect. And the dash has 2 cracks. You see that right there? That's one crack right there, and another one is on that side. So that crack has to be, the dashboard itself has to be either repaired or replaced. I'm gonna try to repair it, but if I can't, or nobody's gonna, or I can't find somebody to do it for me for a reasonable price, I'll buy another one, a new one. And then I gotta put an audio system in, or a stereo system, and make sure all the components on the dashboard work. I want this car to be fully functioning in every way, like you would buy it from a dealer. This car has been owned by one family, so that's the cool part. It's been in one family since 1987. And it's very special to me because I was born in 1987. So this car I'm definitely planning to restore and to hold on to. Okay guys, thank you for watching. It's been a maybe even a kind of long vlog, but I just wanted for you to all guys know that I'm finally starting on the E30 and we'll be focusing on this thing. Of course, if my other part comes in for my Z, I'll still do things there and there, because why not? You guys, you know, we built that Z basically. I built it on YouTube. I changed almost every component or everything that was wrong with it. I changed it before you guys. So that car, I want to finish it off with everything operating to a perfect, complete car with no issues whatsoever. Because I have in my mind on selling that car probably and going with a different type of sports car. But that's just, I'm just saying right now. I never know. I might even end up with a supercharger or a twin turbo in it. Alright guys, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't for weekly updates. And let's get into this E30 project. Right, Horace?
Yeah.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.